Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we are diving into a hotly debated topic. Is butter actually bad for your health? So, guys, for decades butter has been labeled as unhealthy, linked to the heart disease, obesity and high cholesterol. Health experts pushed low fat spreads, margarine and vegetable oils as the better alternatives. But in recent years, research has revealed surprising truths about the butter, leading many to caution if it was wrongly blamed. So, is butter really harmful or is it unfairly demonized? Let's break it all down. Now, let's see the origins of butter's bad reputation. The war on butter began in 1950s and 60s when studies linked saturated fat to heart disease. This leads to public health campaigns warning people to avoid animal fats. Food industries introduced margarine and low-fat dairy as healthy alternatives, and butter was pushed aside. However, these early studies were flawed. They overlooked key factors like processed sugar, refined carbs, and trans fats, which played a much bigger role in the heart disease. Fast forward to today, and we have new research suggesting that saturated fats from natural sources like butter are not as harmful as once believed. So, what science says about butter today? So, what does about modern science say about them? Let's look at the some key points. So, first, let's see the butter and heart health. A 2016 meta-analysis in the journal Plus One reviewed 9 studies on butter consumption and found no significant link between butter and the heart disease. However, consuming butter in the excessive amounts alongside an unhealthy diet can still increase LDL cholesterol, which is the bad one. Now let's see the butter versus margarine. The real truth. Old school margarines contain trans fats which are far worse for heart health than the butter. Many modern margarine brands have removed trans fats, but still they contain highly processed vegetable oils that can cause inflammation. Now, let's see the nutritional benefits of butter. Butter contains vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are very crucial for the immune function, skin health, and bone strength. It also provides butyrate, a short chain fatty acid that supports the gut health and reduces inflammation in the body. Also, grass fed butter is richer in omega 3s and antioxidants, making it a better option than the regular butter. So, guys, should you eat butter? The answer depends on how much and what kind of butter you consume. Butter in moderation is okay, but if you eat butter in reasonable amounts as a part of balanced amount, it is also not harmful. Avoid processed spreads. Highly processed margarines and vegetable oils are often worse than the butter. So you can also consider alternatives like ghee and olive oil. If you are looking for a healthier alternative, ghee like the clarified butter and olive oil provides good fats with the additional benefits. So is butter actually bad for you? Not necessarily. The ghee is balance and quality. Avoid processed junk. Opt for grass-fed butter when possible, and most importantly, focus on an overall healthy lifestyle. So, what do you think about butter? Do you still avoid it or have anyone reintroduced into your diet? Let me know in the comments below. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more eye opening health content and wellness guides. So, I will see you in the next one.